If you're among those who have tried various strategies but haven't achieved the results you wanted, this video is exactly what you need. We all know that the trading world is full of big and small challenges, and finding a strategy that truly works for your trading style can be tough and even frustrating. But today, I want to introduce you to a practical and unique strategy designed with the help of indicators from TradingView. This method provides you with tools to enter the market with more confidence and make more precise decisions. So if you're tired of not getting results and looking for a real change, don't miss this video. First, go to the TradingView website and then select your symbol. Now set your time frame to 5 minutes. After that, go to the indicators section and type in the search box RMI Trend Sniper. Now just click on it to add it to your chart. Now let's go into its settings and make some adjustments. After that, we need to understand how to use this indicator. This indicator gives us green and red signals, which represents buy and sell signals for us. For example, you can see that here a buy signal has been given, and if we had entered a buy trade using it, we could have made a significant profit. Or here we see a sell signal, and we can use that to enter a sell trade. However, we also need to add another indicator to our chart. So for this, just go back to the indicators section and type double ribbon. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now go into its settings and make some adjustments so you can increase your win rate with it. Well, the settings are done, and you should know that we use this indicator to determine the trend. When the candles are above the main line of this indicator, we understand that we are in an uptrend. And when the candles are below the main line, we are in a downtrend. Now that we understand how these two indicators work, it's time to combine them and build our strategy for today. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with the new videos. Let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal. Once we find it, we must ensure that we are in an uptrend and that the candles are above the double ribbon indicator line. When these two conditions are met, we know we have found our entry point for the trade. Now we just need to set our stop loss a little below the last swing low, or consider our stop loss slightly below the RMI line. The choice is yours. After selecting the stop loss, we can enter the buy trade, and for the take profit, we should consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close in profit. For a sell order, we first need to look for a sell signal. After that, we must ensure that we are in a downtrend. If we see both conditions together, it means we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we just need to set our stop loss a little above the last swing high or above the RMI line. Now we can easily enter the sell trade, and for the take profit, we should also consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close in profit. Well, friends, that's our strategy for today. You saw how by using the combination of the two powerful indicators, RMI Trend Sniper and Double Ribbon, we can make more accurate and profitable trades. This method is not only simple and practical, but can also help you significantly increase your win rate. Remember that practice and risk management are key in trading. Be sure to test this strategy on a demo account, and once you master it, use it on a real account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know about our new videos. I would like for you to share your thoughts and experiences with this strategy in the comments. Until the next video, I wish you profitable trades and days full of success. Take care of yourselves and remember, always seek learning and improvement. Good luck!